extend command in the sketching module. For this purpose we are going to draw some of the lines. In order to run the extend command, click on the extend entities, and whenever I click on the edge of the line, it goes orange, and it will be extended to the next line, next intersecting line available nearby. It will be like that. This line is now extended to the next upcoming line. Same like that, if I put a cursor on this side of the line will be extended up to the next intersecting line, and same for the second line, it is also extended, and up to this point put it cursor here, and the line will extend on the right side. Same like that, on the left side it will be extended, and it will be extended on the right side of the line. It will extend the line up to the next intersecting geometry or nearby geometry.